Hello there, here we are in the beautiful region of Puglia. Today we're in the heart of Ostuni, a very well-known town by now. Everyone's kind of heard of Ostuni. And what you just saw there was the park of Ostuni. So we are just off the main gardens. It's a beautiful location. We are in the old part of Ostuni. And what you can see here is we have this window here and this ground floor apartment that we're showing you today that also has a roof terrace, could easily be 2 or potentially 3 bedrooms, needs work done to it. But let's go inside and let me show you around the house. So you can see this is around 90 square meters of apartment. It is a good amount of space without being a huge apartment. You do have the old style ceilings, so they're not the tallest, but they are a good size in height. Now coming through here, this would be the first bedroom. And the thing I like about this property is that it is kind of ground level, right? So there's a couple of steps to come in. We are slightly raised, but at the same time, if you don't want to be doing lots of stairs, and stairs are an issue for you, this is a really nice property for you. So here we have the star vaulted ceilings, very beautiful and very tall, as I say, a very good size. And there's a feeling of air, there's a feeling of light in this house. You do have the original tiles as well. So again, you can kind of see as we're going round, this house definitely does need some work and need modernizing. We've got the first bathroom here, and you can see it is a decent sized bathroom that is basically serving the guests in the house. Obviously this is whatever room you want it to be. I think this would be good as a little sitting room, living room area, as it's kind of in the middle of the house as you enter. This here would be the second bedroom, definitely ideal as a second bedroom. A good sized room here, and again you've got those tall ceilings with the details on the centre of the ceiling. You've got light coming in from the outside from this side as well, so it's a nice amount of light coming into this property. And then coming through here, we have this little kind of corridor section. Bit of a shame to have this room just as a corridor. We do have beautiful ceilings in here as well. I think potentially a kitchen in this area. It is a good size for it. But if we come through here, we can actually see we've got the actual kitchen at the moment. You can see all the types of services and pipes come into this room here. We've got the fully functional fireplace, and off here we have the larger bathroom. You can see there's a really good sized bathroom in here. We do even have a little bath in here as well. It's nice because we've got the light coming in from this little area outside, which does belong to the property. And now I'm going to show you the terrace, which I kind of mentioned at the beginning. Now we do have a little storage area in here, which is useful to have. And then, as I said previously, we have this outside area, which is nice to have in a property that's on the ground floor. Now in here, we also have another bit of a storage room as well. I'm not sure if I can just open this door. So this, you can see, is a bit of a storage room. Again, I'm not sure what you can use this for, but mainly for storage of the outside, especially if you do a garden outside on the roof, which is, as I say, coming up here, the stairs, they're actually really low and easy to do. So it's not like you're having to climb up a lot of stairs to get to this roof terrace. And I think it's so important in these townhomes to have a roof terrace. And this is a really good size. Obviously you need to remove all these lines. They've got these as hanging lines at the moment, but if you can see, it is a good space. Obviously it gets a bit of sun in the afternoon, and at different times of the day, I think with a bit of trees and a bit of plants, this could be a really nice outside space, which is very rare to find with a ground floor apartment, right? So that's the main thing that I would think is the good selling point of this property and why we decided to take it on. Ground floor, but also with an outside space in a really good position on Ostuni. I will be flying the drone from here to kind of show you the location, where it is, just to show you how close it is to the park. But if you have any questions on this property or any of the others, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you very much for watching.